Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. I can't believe the second day of Vlogmas is here. I'm about to go and find out if my video uploaded overnight. My gran is making fresh carrot juice, which is why it's very noisy. Everyone's awake. I wasn't expecting this. And I've just come out of the shower. I haven't washed my hair today. I was up till 3 AM editing my video because I really wanted to leave it to upload overnight. I wanted to see if that would work because otherwise I'd have to go sit in a coffee shop this morning. I think it has uploaded. I've just checked on my phone, but I need to double check in a second now. Oh, here's my fresh carrot and ginger juice. Oh yeah.
It's very good.
How's yours?
Really good.
I am so not a morning person, but I finally got ready. We're about to go to the shops. But Jass is holding our advent calendars. We haven't opened them yet today.
Well, we're on day 2, so here's yours, and here's mine.
Let's do it, let's do it. Where's number 2? Here we go. Would you like a chocolate, Holly?
How?
One of these.
Don't you want it?
Look at how nice I am. You can have my chocolate.
Amazing.
Who got the same earrings as me?
Hey, Anish. Door 2 found it. Get out of here.
Oh, that's not
toffee.
That's a toffee.
Oh, it's the worst one. Day 2. What are you playing at? I'm gonna play back in.
I told you it's the worst advent calendar. Quality Street. Like, what even is that? Okay, we've decided I'll do my Charlotte Tilbury advent calendar at a later time. We're just on our way to the shops. I'm just locking up the house, but oh my god, that house is like a sauna. Like, my grandparents are always really cold, so they have the heating on 24 hours a day, and that is why my face is going to be really shiny when I'm indoors for the next few days. But I think we're going to Wilko's to try and find like a light bulb for my gran, because one of her kitchen light bulbs just blew. Oh, fun times. Okay, first stop, we're coming to the Cambridge Satchel Company. Holly discovered this place as a factory shop, and she told me not to tell anyone on my vlog.
Mistake items, you know, if they've been embossed but they've not, I don't know, not collected them or been printed incorrectly. They're really cheap.
Ah,
So they have initials.
that's so good to know. In case you didn't hear her, these are all the items that they've made like a mistake on, or if they've embossed for somebody and they haven't collected them, so they're really cheap. They're really cheap, like some of the price tags are 25 quid.
That's what I thought, yeah.
Per
Okay.
letter. So you want it to
She's
know.
doing really well with the Christmas presents, aren't you, Hals?
Yes, but we can't talk about them.
Do you think that's what someone...
Also, we're back in her car, and this time Jass is with us.
Yep.
So wish us luck, because she is a dangerous driver. Jass, if you thought I was bad, she's even worse. Wait, I haven't got my seatbelt on yet, for the love of God.
Who drives before they put their belt on?
Who drives off before they check their passengers have their seatbelts on?
You're old enough to know to put your belt on.
No, you don't need to remind me to put my belt on. You could just check that we're ready to go.
Right, so you got...
She's the worst. I've never seen a Christmas section so bare. What the hell? There's like nothing left. We've just stumbled upon this little Christmas market in the middle of the road. Yeah, it's a teeny tiny Christmas market. Okay, so we're walking through this market and I can hear my favourite Christmas song. So this one was getting annoyed when I was singing Christmas music this morning. Now look at her, looking at Christmas
I'm not exactly...
I'm
not exactly happy.
She's happy on the inside. We're in TK Maxx and Holly's doing that thing again where she tries everything on. I really like this coat. It's only £30 as well. Also, this shop is so busy. It's only the 2nd of December and it is absolutely heaving in here. I'm definitely going to come back during the week because this is unbearable. We just got back to my grandparents' house and the three of us are taking them out for lunch. We've been debating this since like yesterday evening because they keep saying no, that they don't want to go, but they always say that because that's just the way they are. We're determined to take them out for lunch because they don't really eat out. So we're going to go back to this restaurant called Shivali in Leicester. I think it's South Asian. We actually went there for their anniversary dinner back in February, I think, so that's also been in my vlog before. That's where we're going to go. It's about 2 PM now. We're all starving. Right.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, they're very confused about what to order. They're so cute. We're going to go for the buffet, which is what we got last time. So hungry. Doesn't look very appetizing, but it smells so good. Mixed fruit cocktail. What? We're in a massive food coma.
A bit blurry, right? Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
No, it's alright now.
We've all had like so much food.
I've had like food for today and tomorrow. And
we asked the waiter to like
lunch, dinner and...
Look, she's got curly hair just like mine. Oh, it's very curly.
Curly, yeah. That's it. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. What do you want to get tailor?
You calling?
Taylor, what do you want to get altered?
My coat.
How much do you want to pay for it?
Well, I don't know, ask him how much it would be.
I don't know what the problem is.
Listen, I take my coffee black with, no, I take it with oat milk and no sugar, thanks. Ugh. I'm in a massive food coma and Jass is going to leave me. Hope you're proud of yourself, Jass.
I'm very proud.
Say bye-bye to everyone, tell them what disappointment you are because you're leaving. He's going back to London. It is like 4:30 on a Sunday evening.
Yep.
And he's going home. Oh my god, I need to go off the bed. I'm right on the edge. Leaving me with Holly. Like, God, help us all. He's leaving me. Look at how many chocolates my parents have in their like boot.
Yeah.
Look, Terry's chocolate orange. This is my parents' car, which is what Jass is taking back. And he's going to Ireland tomorrow. To Dublin. Are you gonna miss me?
Yep. You're gonna miss me or what? Where's everyone? Oh, that's me. Yeah. Hello. Down and go now. It's in one of those days.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Holly had a little nap when we went back into the house. I started editing this video. Got as far as about 20 seconds in and I fell asleep because we're just so tired. We're both craving a Coke. So she went to the co-op and she brought us these, and when she came back I was like, first of all, this isn't a Coke. I appreciate it's cold, but I can't drink this because it's not dairy free. And do you know what? It's not dairy free, but it says it contains partly skimmed lactose free milk. So I'm gonna give it a go. I haven't actually had like cow's milk for about 4 years. I can actually smell it, which is really weird. I'm not a vegan, but you know, I'm mildly lactose intolerant, so I'm gonna give it a go. Is it good?
It's actually quite nice.
Can I try some of yours actually, just in case I don't like it because I don't want to open it?
It's sweet, but it's a skinny latte.
Hmm.
Too much milk for me.
It's alright. Ow!
Sorry.
That's my funny bone. Okay, we're home and we're going to wrap a few of our presents because we're leaving the bigger ones in Leicester. I feel like I've said this about 1,000,000 times, but oh my god, why did I carry this one in here? This is what Jass wrapped for me. Oh, crying out loud. We've got so many bits here. Got Coke to keep us going and loads of presents in here too. Also, I apologise, I'm trying to compete with the TV, but my granddad's also in the living room trying to watch TV, so I hope you can hear me alright. But what I was going to say was, normally I like to use like brown paper to wrap my presents in. That's what I did last year because I feel like they just look a bit nicer and a bit classier. But a few years ago I went to Waitrose and Phoenix after like in January sometime, and I found some wrapping paper that was literally reduced to about 10p, and I've had these bits of wrapping paper just sitting here for like years. I just thought, you know what, let me just use what I have. So this year I think all of my presents are going to be like all sorts of different types of wrapping paper, but it's really good because you pick up like really good quality wrapping paper for 10p. So I just thought I'd bring it all to Leicester with me, and I don't know if my sister's using it or not, but we've already finished one roll anyway. She's laughing at me, so she's trying to have a conversation with my granddad.
I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas.
My grandma thought that while we're wrapping presents, it'd be a good idea to find a baby video of me. That's me. Oh my god. It's me sat on a tree. That's so funny. Just what was my hair all about? I think we're done, right? Yeah. Oh, she's almost done. I'm kind of done. There. We're both a bit disappointed that we didn't bring like all of our presents, because I feel like once you're on a roll you can get it all done, but I haven't actually bought all of mine yet, to be fair, so I'm quite pleased with the little few bits that I've done. Okay, the presents. I haven't got your phone. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here because we've just had like crumpets for dinner and it is 11:15. None of us were really like hungry after the restaurant, so I think I'm going to end this vlog here. Do you have any final words for my vlog, seeing as you won't be in it until like Christmas Eve now? No. Anyway, I'm going to end this vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to enter my Charlotte Tilbury giveaway. I have posted it on Instagram, and if you missed it, it's the Vlogmas Day 1 video. That's the one you need to watch. To find out how you can enter, you have until Friday the 7th of December. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon for day 3. Bye.